Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate the following trigonometric expression. I'm going to start by drawing my cast diagram by the side such that I have my CAST that shows you the trig ratio that is positive in each of the quadrants shown, that the first, second, third, and the fourth quadrant. The breakdown for each quadrant, we have starting from 0 degree, or if I have a complete circle or revolution, that's 360 degrees. I have 90, I have 180 degrees angle on a straight line, and then 270. In the first quadrant, I have my theta. In the second quadrant, I have my 180 degrees minus theta. In the third quadrant, I have 180 degrees plus theta, and in the fourth quadrant I have that as 360 degrees minus theta. So therefore I'm going to show you how to simplify each of the following expression. I start with my sine of 150 degrees. So if I have sine of 150 degrees, if you check the angle 150 degrees, that falls in the second quadrant because it's greater than 90 but less than 180. And the reduction code for that will be sine of 180 degrees minus theta. So I need an angle so that if I subtract from 180, that gives me 150, and that will be 30 degrees. Now if you look at that second quadrant, the trig function that my sine is positive, and then that will be sine of 30 degrees. And if I use my special angle, sine 30 is a half, that's 1/2. I'm going to do the same for my 3, 10, 225. So if I'm to break down 3 multiplying the tan of 225 degrees, that will be equal to 3 times, if I'm to break down my tan of 225 degrees, that falls in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, and the code for reduction will be 180 degrees plus theta. So that will be 180 plus, I need an angle, if I add to 180, will give me 225 degrees, and that is 45 degrees. So therefore that's going to be 3 tan is positive in that quadrant, that's the third quadrant, so that's 3 tan 45 degrees. Then 45 degrees is 1, so that's 3 times 1, and my final answer for that will be 3. So if I use all these values and put it back into my expression, it's going to be the root of 4 to the power of a half times 2 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of half will be 2, because the half also means the square root of 4. So I have that as 2 times 2 to the power of 3, that's 8, and that's equal to the square root of 16, and therefore my final answer will be the square root of 16, that's 4. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. Thanks for watching. Bye.